I took the blows on my face and my body, all of those deaths, a long parade to the graveyard. Father, Mother, Margaret, that dreadful way, so big with it, she couldn't be put in a coffin, but had to be burned like rubbish. You just came home in time for the funerals. But funerals are pretty compared to death. Funerals are quiet. But death, not always. Sometimes the breathing is hoarse. Sometimes it rattles. Sometimes they cry out at you, "Don't let me go, don't let me go," as if you were going to stop them. Even the old sometimes say, "Don't let me go." Unless you were there when they cried out at you, "Hold me," you would never suspect there was a struggle for breathing and bleeding. You didn't dream it, but I saw. And now, you sit there telling me with your eyes that I let the place go. How did you think the sickness and the dying was paid for? Death is expensive, Miss Stella. And poor cousin Jessie, right after Margaret, hers. Why did Grim Reaper put up his tent on our doorstep? Bannerhead was his headquarters. And me, with my poor salary from the school. Yes. Sit there. Accuse me that I let the place Where were you?